Yes, children, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gorakhpur. Today, we discuss the statistics of class 11 of the exercise 15.2. Question number 7. Question number 7, as the find the mean and variance of the following data. Find the mean and variance of the following data. The data is given, so the classes frequency of classes 0 to 30, classes 0 to 30 and 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150 and 150 to 180 and 180 to 210. This is the class interval. This is the class interval of the given data. And f is the frequency. F is the frequency of the given data 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 10 and 3, 5, 2. Now 0 to 30 as the classes, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150 and 150 to 180 and 180 to 210. The difference between the lower limit and the upper limit is 30. The difference between the lower limit and the upper limit is 30, and f is the frequency of the given data. Then you first find the midpoint of the class interval. First find the midpoint of class interval, that is x. X is the midpoint of class interval, and midpoint of class interval equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is 15, 45, 75, 105, 135, 165 and 195. When you find the midpoint of the class interval, it is denoted by x. X is equal to the sum of lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. Sum of lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is the midpoint of x. Now next table D equal to x minus a upon h, x minus a upon h, or x minus 105 upon 30. X minus 105 upon 30. What is 105? 105 is the assumed mean. A 105 are capital A. Capital A is the assumed mean. How can decide the assumed mean? Therefore, in the table of midpoint, therefore the middle number, if you select the middle number as the assumed mean, otherwise if you select any number of the midpoint be a assumed mean. हम इसमें से किसी भी नंबर को assumed mean के रूप में सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, but we select the middle number for a assumed mean and capital A be represented as the assumed mean, and the method of this interruption data by the assumed mean method, by assumed mean method, यानी जो डाटा हम बना रहे हैं यहाँ पर, ये डाटा जो है assumed mean method डाटा है, और यहाँ से जो है d की वैल्यू क्या होगी, x minus 105 यानी 15 minus 105 minus 90 divided by 30 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and 3 1 2 and 3. Now next is the d square. Next table is the d square. D square 9 4 1 0 1 4 and 9 4, and F into D, F into D, F into D 18, F into D 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 10 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 5 into 2 10, and 2 into 3 6. This is the FD. And next table at FD square. Next table is the FD square. FD is square. So 2 into 9 18, 3 into 4 12, 5 into 1 5, 10 into 0 0, 3 into 4 3 into 1 3, 5 into 4 20, and 2 into 9 18. Now find the sum of sigma f equal to 30. Sum of sigma f equal to 30 and sum of sigma FD, sigma FD means summation of FD minus 6 minus 5, that is minus 17, plus 3 plus 10 plus 6, 19, that's equal to 2, and sigma FD square, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 20, 55, 55 plus 20, 55 plus 20, 75, that is 76. Now see again the table of the given data. First table is the class interval. First table is the class interval. First table is the class interval. And second is the frequency. Now the class interval 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, and 120 to 150, and 150 to 180, and 180 to 210. This is the given data. And on the basis of this class interval, we find the midpoint of the given data. After that, we find the D equal to x minus a upon h. A is equal to assumed mean, and h is the difference between two class interval. That's equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the value of D. Find the D square, FD, and FD square. After that, we find the mean. Mean equal to, देखो मीन फाइंड करने के लिए हमें टेबल को इरेज करना पड़ेगा. तो चलो 105, sigma f equal to 30, and sigma fd equal to 2, and sigma fd square 76, and h is equal to 30. All the values are mentioned here to find the mean of the given data. Mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fd upon n into h. n equal to sigma f equal to 30. Capital N equal to the sigma of F, and sigma of F equal to 30. Sigma of F equal to 30. Show the mean of X bar equal to 105 plus sigma FD 2 upon 30 into 30. 30 cancel, and 105 plus 2, that's equal to 107. 107 is the mean of given data. 107 is the mean of given data. जो डाटा हमें दिया गया है उस डाटा का मीन जो है 107 है. एंड नाउ फाइंड द वेरिएंस ऑफ गिवन डाटा. वेरिएंस सिग्मा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर अपॉन एन स्क्वायर इन द ब्रैकेट एन सिग्मा एफ डी स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा एफ डी होल स्क्वायर. सिग्मा एफ डी होल स्क्वायर. देखो इस फार्मूले का हम यूज करते हैं. इस फार्मूले का हम यूज करेंगे एच स्क्वायर अपॉन एन स्क्वायर. एच स्क्वायर अपॉन एन स्क्वायर एन इंटू सिग्मा एफ डी स्क्वायर माइनस sigma of FD whole square. So therefore sigma square equal to h square 30 square upon 30 square in bracket 30 into 76 minus 2 square. 30 into 76 minus 30 into 76 minus 2 square. Therefore 30 cancel, and sigma square equal to 30 multiply 76 minus 4, and sigma square equal to 2280 minus 4. 2280 minus 4, that's equal to 2276. 2276. $2,276 is the variance of given data. जो डाटा यहाँ पर दिया गया है उस डाटा का ये वेरिएंस है. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ मीन ऑफ द गिवन डाटा इज 107 and the variance of given data is 2276. यहाँ पर ये देखो कि हमें एक डाटा दिया गया जिसमें क्लास इंटरवल था और फ्रीक्वेंसी थी. अब उस क्लास इंटरवल और फ्रीक्वेंसी के अकॉर्डिंग टू द class interval and frequency, we find the mean and variance. We find the mean and variance of the given data. हमें उस दिए गए डाटा के अकॉर्डिंग मीन और वेरिएंस को फाइंड करना है. हम मीन और वेरिएंस को फाइंड करने के लिए एक डाटा टेबल बनाए. उस डाटा टेबल में क्लासेस, फ्रीक्वेंसी, मिड पॉइंट, डेविएशन डी, एज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड, एज्यूम्ड मीन वैल्यू, एफ डी स्क्वायर, एफ इंटू डी स्क्वायर, इतने टेबल हमने उसमें फाइंड किए. आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड द मीन को फाइंड करने के फार्मूले क्या हैं? वी स्टडी दिस फार्मूला इन द प्रीवियस क्लास. इस फार्मूले को हम प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं. क्लास 10th में ये फार्मूला है कि मीन इक्वल टू ए प्लस सिग्मा एफ डी अपॉन एन इंटू एच. कैपिटल एन इज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ समेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. So therefore 105 is the assumed mean value, sigma fd to capital N 30 and H 30. 30 cancel and the value of mean is 107. After that we find the variance of given data. So sigma square, h square upon n square, n into sigma fd square minus sigma fd whole square, and put all the values of the given data. Put all the values of given data in this formula to find the value of sigma square. 30 into 76 minus 4, that's equal to 2276. This is the value of a mean variance. Clear? Okay, thank you.